Okay, we got Walter Davis dollying down a fresh water heater. Okay guys, we got a safe here. It's like sort of like a lockbox. It's like a big lockbox type safe, but we can't get it open. We don't know the combination, so we're gonna shoot it open. And then I have 6 pounds of tannerite in one container to go in this thing, and we'll see what kind of damage it'll do to this metal safe. Okay, we got 8 pounds of tannerite in the safe, and we're putting a water heater on top.
This is gonna be fucking epic.
I want this to be like reasonably even, so it doesn't just fall over.
That's good.
I think our engineering work is done.
Finger open on the friggin' bullet holes on that water heater.
Your AR pistol is fucking spot on.
Was it?
Yeah. Who actually did it? I think I nailed it. I was hoping I did, but I didn't.
Okay, we're all coming down to check the damage. We had pieces fly all the way back to the tables that just missed us.
We should have packed that thing full 10 pounds.
Yeah, I think we needed more.
Oh man, this was the lid.
Can't get that part of the ball. Kick the bottom up. Yeah, shot the whole burner assembly up.
Did he? Oh wow, nice.
Is there anything left of the safe?
Oh, there's that one piece of it.
There's
Piece of it.
that another one?
Yeah.
bottom kicked the whole thing out of its case. So if we had like another, probably 20 pounds, we could have launched the boiler.
We can stick
Right
a pound
through
in
the
there.
thing.
We can stick a pound in there if this comes out.
Why are there lighters out?
You screwed up your hand. Don't screw up your leg.
Die.
There you go. Stick it right over top of it. I'm just gonna stick it in it.
Stick it in.
All right.
That's what I'm saying.
There's still 4 pounds in the car. Got Mountaineer Marksman over there setting up some extra shit on top there. He's a little bit of a nut. Yeah, as you can tell. All right.